I'm sure you will have already noticed that my features are not very well drawn. I promise that's intentional because I want to show you how to correct that in QGIS. So if I go to the correct layer, which is the polygons, and make it editable with the yellow pencil again, I now have the polygon editing tools here. So I could add more features and I can edit those features. So if I click on the vertex tool, it allows me to select points. And I can move those by clicking on them. It will allow me to move it and I can put it somewhere else. Importantly, I want to be able to snap to this shape here so that I'm not leaving any gaps and I'm not overlapping any of the polygons. It's very important in UK habitats because we need to calculate the area of each habitat and our total area needs to add up. So I do need to snap exactly to this shape. Now you can see my cursor is snapping to the shapes as I move past them already. And that's using the snapping tool. And this may not be visible by default in QGIS. So if you right click on the button bars, you can select which panels are visible and you can select which toolbars. And somewhere down here, you have a snapping toolbar. There we go, snapping. There are a few things you may have to change here. So we're currently working in one layer. It's usually best to have it in just one layer. And at the moment, I've got it snapping to corners. You can also make it snap to the edges, the area, or even the middle of the shapes if you need to. Sometimes you need to snap to between the points and create new points. So I'm going to click it to area for now, but if that gets too confusing, I can change that to points. If you need a new point, you can't click anywhere you like on there. You have to click exactly in between where it gives you the pink cross, and then you can slide it backwards and forwards wherever you need it. And when you've finished, again, you hit the pencil to toggle editing and it will ask you if you want to save any. If you get in a mess, it's a good idea to discard your changes and start again. So it's a good idea to stop editing and save every now and then so you don't lose your work when you're doing a lot of changes.